Okay, I'm going to walk you through the first two conjectures of chapter 2. You're first going to start by measuring the angles. You first start by highlighting all 3 points, making sure the second point is the vertex of the angle. And we're going to go up to measure angle. This is our first measurement. To get the second angle, 1, 2, 3, making sure again the second point, the second point you click on is that vertex angle. So measure angle here. So we have our two angles. We want to show that there are supplementary angles. So I'm going to go up to number, calculate, and it brings in my calculator here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one angle measurement and add it to the second, and then press OK. So this allows me to show that no matter what the angle measure is, or what the angle measures are, that they're always going to have a sum of 180 degrees. I'm going to demonstrate that by creating a table. So I'm going to highlight all 3 data points that I want in my table, and I'm going to go up to number, tabulate. This creates the table here, and I'm going to increase the size of this font. If you go to display, show text palette, you'll get the dialog box at the bottom. As long as this is highlighted, you can change the font size of your table. So here's my first measurements that are recorded in the table. If I double click this, I can then change my angle measurements and still show it's 180, and then go ahead and add that a third row then. All I need to see is 3 rows and we're good to go. Second conjecture, vertical angle conjecture, we're going to show that the vertical angles are congruent. So again, I'm going to measure the angle on the left, measure angle, measure the angle on the right, 1, 2, 3. And then I want to show a table showing that those 2 angles will always be the same. So here's my table. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. And I'm going to move my angles. So they're both at 46. Slide this over. They're both at 58. And then one more time, both at 74. And there you have it. Those are the first 2 conjectures for chapter